Hey everyone, how are you? Today's video is all about Primordial Vigor X, a male enhancement supplement that's been gaining a lot of popularity in the US in 2025. But is it worth the hype? Does it actually work? And most importantly, is it safe? We'll answer all of that and more in this video. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's break it down. What is Primordial Vigor X? Primordial Vigor X is marketed as a natural male enhancement supplement. It's made for men who are looking to improve their energy, sex drive, stamina, and confidence, without needing a prescription or harsh medications. Now enjoy bedtime with your partner with this capsules. According to the brand's official website, it's designed to boost testosterone levels, improve blood flow, and support long-lasting performance in the bedroom. What's inside the formula? Let's talk ingredients, because that's where the real magic happens, or doesn't. Primordial Vigor X contains several powerful, science-backed natural ingredients that have been used for decades in men's health. Key ingredients breakdown. Tongkat Ali. This is an herbal root traditionally used to boost testosterone, fight fatigue, and enhance libido. Horny goat weed. Yes, funny name but powerful stuff. It helps increase blood circulation, which is critical for performance. Saw palmetto. This supports prostate health and helps balance hormone levels. Important especially for men over 40. L-arginine. An amino acid that turns into nitric oxide in the body, improving blood flow and helping you achieve stronger, longer-lasting erections. Ginseng root. Famous for fighting fatigue, boosting energy, and reducing stress, all of which impact your bedroom game. Altogether, this blend is focused on two things: restoring testosterone levels and improving blood flow. How does Primordial Vigor X work? Here's a simple explanation. As men age, especially after 30, testosterone levels start to drop. This leads to lower energy, weaker libido, trouble with performance, and a dip in confidence. Primordial Vigor X helps raise testosterone naturally and increase circulation where it matters most. More testosterone means more energy, a better mood, and a higher sex drive. Better blood flow means harder, more reliable erections and better performance. It's not magic, but it is based on proven science. Is it safe? Great question. Primordial Vigor X is made in the USA, in an FDA-registered facility, and follows GMP-certified practices. It's also non-GMO and made from natural ingredients. Most users experience no side effects at all. But just to be clear, possible mild effects could include slight headache, stomach upset, if taken without food. These are rare and usually go away quickly. If you have any serious health conditions or are on medications, always check with your doctor first, just to be safe. Real user reviews. What are people saying? Now let's hear what real users are saying in 2025. Mark, age 52, from Texas. I was skeptical. But after 3 weeks, I felt like myself again. Energy is up. Bedroom performance? Let's just say, my wife is thrilled. Jason, 39, from Florida. I tried other pills before. This one actually gave me results. No side effects. Just steady improvements every week. Leo, 45, from California. It took about 2 weeks to feel the difference. I have more stamina, and I'm more confident than ever. These kinds of reviews are popping up everywhere, from verified buyers only. How to use it? Primordial Vigor X is easy to use. Just take 2 capsules per day, ideally with food and water. Consistency is key. Most users see early results in 2 to 4 weeks, and stronger results by week 6. Also, staying active and eating healthy will help maximize the benefits. Pricing and where to buy. You can only buy Primordial Vigor X from the official website. That's important because it prevents scams and fake products. Current pricing, as of 2025. 1 bottle equals $69. 3 bottles equals $59 each. 5 bottles equals $49 each, best deal. Shipping is fast and discreet, and they also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. I've included the official website link below in the video description, make sure you use that to get the real deal. Pros. Natural and safe ingredients. Made in the USA. No prescription required. Positive customer feedback. Fast and discreet shipping. Money-back guarantee. Cons. Only available online. Needs daily use for the best results. Not suitable for people with major health conditions, without doctor guidance. Final verdict, is it worth it? After researching ingredients, reading reviews, and understanding how it works, here's my take. It's not a magic fix. But if you're consistent, and you're looking to naturally improve your energy, drive, and performance, it's absolutely worth trying. Ready to boost your performance naturally? Click the link in the description to visit the official Primordial Vigor X website and grab your discounted package. Your confidence, your energy, and your performance are worth investing in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video, bye bye.